The one big theme I expect to see in 2014 is the continued emergence of consumerism in healthcare, where the consumers are going to be more and more empowered, more than ever before, because they're taking a much larger share of the responsibility for their care through high deductible health plans. And so they're going to be focused on costs, as they're going to be hit with these costs more directly than they have been in the past. So they're going to be looking more for price transparency, being able to assess quality of care in different organizations, and they'll be smarter shoppers. And that's going to continue to evolve. And we certainly have that in the retail world right now, where you have price transparency. It's much easier to compare quality. Healthcare has been behind the times there, but that's clearly changing. You know, the era of the consumer in healthcare is here. So healthcare organizations that are delivering, providing care, or paying for care need to be prepared for that, because the consumer is looking for more information, since they are going to be more in control of their healthcare than ever before. Segments of the healthcare system that can benefit from the consumer taking charge are clearly the technology companies that are providing a means for this information to flow to the individuals. It creates opportunities for provider organizations to better connect with the patient in the market, with the sharing of their information around pricing, quality, and otherwise reaching out to them as though they were a buyer of any other product or service in the market. Because consumers today will have choice, and more choice than ever, as you see care evolving outside of the traditional hospital or physician office into pharmacies, into retail stores, into grocery stores, in the dock-in-the-box type facilities that we've been talking about for years. So people will be looking to attract the patient. You're going to need to, I think, be more engaged in trying to sell the patient. One of the ways for sellers to maximize their value in transactions is to be better prepared in the process. We see many sellers, particularly those who haven't been involved in a transaction before, underestimating what's necessary to adequately prepare their organization for sale. So it's very important for them to pressure test the numbers and information they're going to provide to a potential buyer. It's very important for them to prepare management for the questions that are likely to happen, so they have crisp answers and have a good understanding of the organization they're able to convey. That gives a buyer some degree of confidence in the management team and the credibility and reliability of the numbers and information they're seeing. So that will, one, help accelerate the deal process, but two, it'll help them maximize value. So a big part of what we're seeing in the market, and where we are very much involved with clients, is helping them prepare for that sale process and working with them through the process. And it yields very, very good results for them.